Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today's video is my first cook and clean with me video, and it is also the clean house tag. I was tagged by Stephanie Kneese, and in the previous video that I spoke about her, I mispronounced her last name as Kneese, so I just wanted to mention that. And also you can go visit her channel, and also you will find another video. It was the giveaway that she had, and I won her giveaway a couple of weeks ago, so you guys can go check out that video as well. So all right, so I'm just going to get started with these questions. There are 10 of them, and here we go. So the first question: how often do you clean your house? Daily, weekly, monthly? I clean constantly. I feel like I don't have like a designated spot that I clean every single day. One thing that's been helping me is on Sunday evenings or Monday morning, I will make out a list of everything that I want to get done that week. And that's really helped me with laundry and schoolwork, because we also homeschool, so that's really helped with that. But I technically clean every day. I do the dishes and the laundry every single day. I make up my bed every day. I will either mop or vacuum somewhere in the house every day. But as far as like deep cleaning, those, you know, either are weekly or monthly or even every 3 months. It just depends on the task, really. Number 2, do you have a certain style or method of cleaning, such as zone cleaning, a schedule, a chore a day? No, not really. With 4 kids, it's really hard for me to stick to any kind of schedule or anything like that. So I guess it would be zone cleaning, just because whatever room looks the worst, that's what I attack first, and I go from there. But I always like to make sure that my kitchen and that my living room and my bedroom are all clean before I go to bed, and each of my kids' rooms are also clean before we go to bed. They are responsible for cleaning up their rooms every single night before bed, before they have a bath. So number 3, what is your least favorite room or area to clean? Least favorite room. I don't know if I really have a least favorite room. Maybe the kitchen. I don't know, because I really don't like to do dishes. So, okay, so number 5, what is your least favorite chore to do? Dusting, mopping, dishes? Probably dishes, like I just said. So yeah, that's probably my least favorite chore, is dishes. Number 6, what is your favorite chore to do? I really like to wipe down counters. I don't mind mopping once I start doing it. It's just the motivation of doing it. I don't know what it is, but I like mopping once I start doing it. And I like to vacuum. So I like to really wipe down counters and vacuum mostly. Number 6, what is your favorite? Oh, just kidding. I just read that. Number 7, what is your favorite cleaning brand, supply, or tool? I have 2 cleaning brands that I love, and that would be Mrs. Meyer's and Method. I like the Method glass cleaner. I've never tried the Mrs. Meyer's glass cleaner. I really like the Method anti-bac spray, and I like the multi-purpose cleaner for things like my dining room table, which I recently refinished, and my stove top. But I like Mrs. Meyer's for other things in the house, because I think it helps the entire house smell really good. So I'm just gonna stop for just a minute and let you guys know what I'm cooking for supper in this video. I am making sweet potato fries right now. My son loves those, and so do my 2 and my 3-year-old. My 7-year-old actually does not like sweet potato fries, but I cook them for everyone else. And along with this, I'm making chicken pot pie. That's why I stuck the 2 chicken breasts in the boiler earlier. And I'm also making fried cauliflower with onions, and that was really good. I think I mixed in some lemon pepper with that. I will leave a recipe if you'd like. I cook my chicken pot pie a little different every single time. It just depends on what I have in the house. And you can see I just put my hair up because it was just getting too hot and crazy in there. And the other thing that I cooked was green beans. So it was chicken pot pie, green beans, sweet potato fries, and riced cauliflower that was fried along with onions mixed in with it, and it was really good. So now getting back to the questions. Number 8, what is a cleaning solution or product you don't recommend? Oh, wow. I don't know. I don't like to use anything that has harsh chemicals in it, as you can see by my channel name, Greenish. I like to use more natural things and plant-based products whenever cleaning, and pretty much everything I like to use plant-based as much as possible. But I don't like to use harsh chemicals, so I pretty much anything that has harsh chemicals in it. The only thing that I will use that I would consider harsh would be bleach, and that might sound crazy, but I have had to use bleach before, just because in some situations I do feel that that is the best. Even though it's not natural, it still kills the germs that I need killed. But really, I think I use bleach once or twice a year. It's really something that I don't use on an every day or every week basis. So I guess that would be it. Just harmful, harsh chemical products, basically, is what I would not recommend. And number 9, can you share some of your favorite cleaning hacks with us? Well, if you've seen my laundry challenge videos, then that's not necessarily a hack, but it does help motivate me to get laundry done. And what it is you set a timer for 7 minutes and you fold and put away a load of laundry within that 7 minutes. So if you have 3 loads, then it would be 21 minutes and so forth. So that is one thing that has helped me to get laundry done. Another hack is if you have more than one child, I would recommend getting individual baskets from the Dollar Tree or individual bins or something and fold their laundry, especially if you live in a 2-story home like I do, and put their laundry in each of those bins. Just have a designated bin or basket or bucket or something like that for each of them. And if they're old enough to put their clothes away, then they can just take the whole bin with them and carry them upstairs or carry them to their rooms, wherever. And I've just found that that's more helpful, because I used to just pile everything in stacks, and it would kind of cause a problem because they would be carrying them and they might drop them or something like that. And it also helps me to fold the clothes, because if I have like 4 or 5 loads, which is not fun, but still reality, hello. If I have 4 or 5 loads that I'm folding, then that stack is going to get really, really tall. And what I most of the time do anyway is just roll up their clothes and I just throw them in the basket. And their drawers are not perfectly organized by no means. All they have is their shirts are separated from their shorts and pants, and their underwear, panties, and socks are all separated along with their PJs. So I don't make them fold up their clothes any certain way or place them in there any certain way. I just make sure that each drawer has its own item, I guess is what I'm trying to say. So anyway, using those bins has really helped me do laundry. And that way, when they bring the basket back down to me, I know that they've put their laundry away so that I can fold up more laundry the next day. And also, if you happen to have a cordless vacuum, then vacuum until the battery dies. While you've got it in your hand, just go everywhere in your house and vacuum as many places as you possibly can. Focus on the dirtier zones first, like the dining room, or if you happen to eat in your living room or family room, then focus on those first. And then afterward, go in other places that might not have as much dust or as many crumbs or whatever. But use your cordless vacuum until the battery dies. And then you know that you vacuumed for at least 15 or 20 or 25 minutes, however long the battery lasts, then you know that you vacuumed for that long. So use it until the battery dies. And I also always try to keep my sink clean, my kitchen sink empty, not clean, but emptied. It's really hard to do sometimes, but I find myself loading the dishwasher like 2 or 3 times a day, so it's in smaller loading sessions instead of just one big time where it's like I have 2 sinks full of dishes trying to load them. And also, if you'll notice in my videos, like in this one in particular, you see that the dirtier dishes go on the left side of the sink where all of the food is and, you know, all the gunk and everything. And so I rinse them off in that sink, and then I put them over onto the white dish rack and on the right side of the sink. And that just really helps me, because then whenever I'm loading the dishwasher, all I have to do is just reach into the white dish rack where everything has already been rinsed and somewhat scrubbed, because if food has been cooked on, then you want to scrub that off before you put it in the dishwasher, because your dishwasher will last longer if you do that. So I just reach in that little white dish rack and put the dishes in the dishwasher, and it just makes it so much easier for me to do dishes. So, okay, that's my last hack, I promise. So number 10 is, have you or do you or would you have a cleaning company come into your home to clean? Why or why not? No, I don't. I don't think I would, just because I like to see before and after pictures or before and after videos, or just the before and after in my mind. I know what a room looked like before, and I like to see the work being done, and I like to know that I accomplished something, like I cleaned something very well. If it were something crazy like we need our vents cleaned out really bad, then I would say, yeah, I would get a company to come out here and clean that professionally. But as far as just everyday cleaning, like vacuuming and the bathrooms and the kitchen and all that sort of stuff, I'm fine with doing that. I don't need a nanny. I don't need a cleaning service. It would be nice every once in a while just to have someone do that for me, but reality, I'm pretty fine with how things are in that area. So, okay, I'm gonna stop talking now. The video should be ending soon. I will just let you guys listen to some music, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to go check out Stephanie's channel when you're through watching this video. She did tag me about 3 months ago, seriously, and I'm just now getting around to this video. So please give this video a thumbs up and comment down below if you liked it, and I will see you next time. All right, bye guys.
Call. Something in the air.